So, hello everyone, and thanks for being here with us today. Today, I will talk about how cool artificial intelligence and WordPress work together. So, we will see some awesome AI plugins for WordPress, and that can make our online experiences much more better. And AI has a lot of potential and it keeps getting better day by day. So, whether you are a business owner waiting to improve your website or a developer, exploring new things. This mix of AI and WordPress is really interesting. So let's start this exciting journey and find out what AI and WordPress can do together. So first of all, we need to know the reasons why AI plugins boost WordPress and development and user experience. So you need some plugins to enhance the power of WordPress for your content creation and optimization and user experience and the performance optimization so that you will get a better experience in WordPress and do a better word development in WordPress field. So for this reason, we need some initial and we need some powerful AI tools and AI plugins. Let's talk about these AI plugins. So here are some AI plugins that I have want to introduce you with this one, which will help you to boost your WordPress site day by day. So here is the category. For SEO category, you can use WordLift and SEO Press. For security reason, you can use the Aximit spam protection and Quetra web malware scanner. For website building, you can directly use DVI AI and Elementor AI. And for internal linking managing, you can use the Link Whisper. And all in one, you can use it AI engine as a powerful plugin to make your WordPress much more better. So let's dive into the details of each and every plugin. So our first plugin is the WordLift. So how does WordLift help us? So well, it adds structured data to our website, and that's a game changer. So this helps us in a couple of important ways. First of all, it makes our website more visible and reaching a larger audience. And who doesn't want it that, right? And now let me break it out down a little bit. So WordLift understands the text you write, and thanks to its natural language processing, which we call NLP. And then it organizes this information and making your website easier to navigate and creating links within your content. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? But wait, there is some more things. And it is not just about making things look great. WordLift also helps your website rank better on search engines. How? By structuring the data so that search engines can understand and index it properly. And now here's the best part. So WordLift goes the extra mile by enriching your content, and it adds links, images, and creates connections between different pages and concepts on our site. So it's like a language wizard, and that helps build a bridge between your website and important data sources like DBpedia and Wikipedia. So which Google really pays attention to. So in a nutshell, like WordLift is like having a super smart assistant for your website, making it more visible, better organized, and ultimately helping us connect with a big audience. So let me make this simple for you. Like, for example, imagine you have a super smart assistant, and that's what WordLift is like. So it reads, understands, and organizes your website content. So search engines like Google can understand it better. So why it is important? So well, this means your website appears more frequently when people search for something related to it. So and the end result, what will happen? That more visitors to come your website. And the best part is like WordLift understands and can help your website in 32 different languages. So WordLift helps you create the metadata that search engines need to understand and the relationship between the concepts and how they work together and what each entry represents for you and your audience. Our next one is the SEO Press. So it is basically used for SEO purpose, you can see. So SEO is a kind of a plugin for WordPress that basically helps you make your website better for search engines and people to come your website. and it comes in both free and paid versions also. So with the latter offering more features like WooCommerce and local SEO, AI, and CSV import. So you can download it from SEO Press from your WordPress admin and follow the wizard to set it up. And you can also migrate it from other SEO plugins easily. So SEO Press insights a tool that tracks your keywords and backlinks in Google and help you to improve your SEO strategy. Next one is the Axmate anti-spam protection. So this best anti-spam protection to basically block your spam comments. Sometimes what happens that when you have a blog or site, that times multiple random pages or random persons can comment on that, which is not valid or created by any bot. So this AI plugin tool will help you to track that specific comments and delete them out. So AccessMate checks your comments and contact from submissions against our global database of spam to prevent your data from publishing malicious content. And you can review the comment spam it catches on your blogs, comments in the admin screen also. So it has some special features. So one of the special features of this one is this plugin automatically filters out the spam comments, shows the URLs in the comment body, and displays the status history and number of the approved comments for your each user, and discards the worst spam to save disk space and speed up your site. So there are some requirements also for this AI plugin. I mean, you need to get an accessmate.com API key to use this plugin. So which is a free for personal blogs and paid for business and commercial sites. So the plugin is also an open source software and has multiple contributors. Next one is the Quatra Web Malware Scanner. This plugin is used to scan the full entire website you have created in WordPress. So basically this scans your website for malware and other threats, as well as checking whether everything is okay or not. So there are some special features also. So for example, it has one of the special features is the malware detection. This plugin can detect various types of malware, such as Trojans, backwards, worms, viruses, shells, spyware, defense, and other malicious iframes or code injections, auto-generated code, and more. And it has another feature, it can remove the malware also. So this plugin is not only used for detect malware, it also will help you to remove that malware also. So when you can also contact with the Quatra support team or sign up to any of their annual plans for malware cleanup and backlist removal services. And this plugin is also an open source and has been contributed by several people. So you can download it free and the WordPress plugin directory. Our next one is the DVAI. So for this plugin, you have to use this DVAI DV theme to get the actual benefit of this AI. So this is an amazing AI plugin. So there are some special features also. For this reason, you need to use this. There are some special feature among themselves is text generation. So DVI can write a copy of your website from scratch and improve the existing copy, just like a professional copy editor. You can give this plugin a topic and which the content format and let it compose titles, paragraphs, and even the entire blog posts in a second. And another feature of this DVI is the image generation. So DVI can create and modify images using a natural language interface. You can simply tell DVI about the image you want, and it will directly generate it in seconds. So you can also transform the existing images and alter their style with a single click. So this incredible tool can also help you to write code and generate the custom CSS in the visual builder. So it has a trained on the DVI module code base, and it interrupts your prompts and for smart results. Plus, there are AI quick actions to easily improve the existing code. So it's like having a coding wizard right at your fingertips, right? So DVI is the biggest advantage is that the fact is that it understands the DV and learns from your website and allowing you to create more contextually relevant content automatically. So other tools does not has this feature, so it has this feature. So they don't have access to your database, or but DVS can do this. DVS AI can drag into this database and help you to solve the problem. Another one, our next one is the Elementor AI tool. So Elementor is the one of the vastest used theme in WordPress. So it has integrated this Elementor AI by itself. So Elementor is natively integrated in Elementor. So for starters, Elementor AI is available directly in the editor, which is incredibly convenient, as you don't need to switch between tools and tabs. And additionally, this Elementor programmed by the AI product and to provide the contextual suggestions based on the widget you are using with it. So which will bring you closer to your desired outcome. Like, so this is a true for text, code, and image generation also. So one of the one on the top of that, you can say that you're the Elementor's code assistant. It automatically makes the code for the exact part you want to change, and other tools can do this. So these are the specific features of this Elementary. It has the prompt enhancer. It has some AI history panel. This basic history panel is an amazing one. So this tool lets you access your previous prompts and generated the responses. And so you can refer back to what you have done and pick up where you left off. So this is an amazing one. And another one is the content generator. So this tool will let you to generate the entire containers, including content and style, by writing a descriptive prompt or clicking or any existing element or container. So you can also generate containers from any layout you refer from the web. So it has another feature. It can has the image generator. This tool lets you generate the royalty free images for your website, and by writing up only just a prompt. So just that guides the AI to create your desired image, and you can also just translate your text to any language using this Elementor AI. So in short, this Elementor AI offers a versatile and easy to use platform with real-time and responsive design capabilities, making it like favorite amongst the site builders. And the next one is the Link Whisper. So what it does, that Link Whisper acts like a base network here you have known, like building a smart and meaningful connections between your different pages and of your website. So think of it as a tour guide suggesting other attractions or within your website to keep the visitor engaged with your website. So this best part of it is like these connections are not just helpful for your web visitors, but search engines like Google understand your website better too. So, and you can also do the same thing like it's a very user friendly dashboard also inside of it, and managing these connections couldn't be easier otherwise. So it has also another most of the features if you dive into it. And our next one is the AI engine, the most prominent, and which already contains other AI features inside of it. So when you want to use the and you want to make the use of it, so you can directly install this AI engine in your WordPress site. So basically it has lots of already integrated AI engine inside of it. For example, AI Copilot, AI Playground, AI API. So what happens is when you install this plugin that connects users to various AI services such as OpenAI and Microsoft Azure, and offers a range of the AI tools such as chatbots, content, and image generators, Copilot, and model training also, and more. So you can use it without any confusion. So, and it has a very good interface, which is very easy to understand also. Next, I will show a live example about this AI engine. Here is the WordPress site. I have mine, and I'm using this AI engine tool. So in the dashboard, yeah, you can see this one is its name is Mayo Apps, but you can find it also from the plugin. And where already I have installed this one. So here I am opening the dashboard. So inside of the dashboard, you can see there are lots of points like more apps. Already you can see there are different types of plugins are already there. So when you will install this AI engine, it will help you to get the other feature, or you can install their own created AI to say plugins inside of it. So in the performance tab, you can see the empty request time, you can see the file operation time, you can see the SQL request time. If you apply this thing, you can see the result of your website. So another way, you can see the PHP information, which versions or how does it working in your website, in the full WordPress website project. And you can see the settings also from here. And another tab, if I go to the AI engine page, in this here you can see there are some other features also, that when you buy the pro versions, it will help you to get through the full advantage of this plugin. And here is the another one, the chatbots, which we are talking about. And here you can see the chatbot, how we can you can rename the chatbot whatever you want, and AI model context, the threshold. And here the one option is the shortcode. And for this thing, you, as you can see, this one is showing me some error, because you, when you are want to use this AI plugin in your WordPress, you have to have a OpenAI account in your for your own. As you know, that OpenAI is not free. It have to it's a paid one, so you have to create your own account. By this way, you can get a API key. So as you can see from here, you can use the OpenAI key or Azure one or Open Router also. Anyway, so here I'm using my API key from OpenAI. So if I and click on anywhere else, and it will turn into save. And if I go to the chatbots again, and if I write something here, for example, um, if you apply this thing, and it will give you some answers according to the OpenAI. So it redirects you to here. So now I want to implement this thing in my WordPress project. So if I copy this thing shortcode, and I have already opened one edit mode page, I mean, you can see this one, there's a kind of a blank page. I want to add something here. If I go to the shortcode, and if I add my code here, and let's get update, and if I open it, my, so as you can see, so it's opening a site. You can see already what I have asked. So if you apply anything here, so this time it will work the same as like the OpenAI or Chat GPT. So for example, I can ask any question like so you can see this this from this way you can get the answer of the question you have asked here. So by this way you can implement these co-pilot or this chatbot in your website, or make your WordPress website looking much more better and future proof.